Ever wondered what are the basic tools needed on a tool belt? That question has probably crossed your mind at least once, whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast. Well, let's dive right into it. First up, we have the hammer. It's not just a tool, it's an extension of your hand. From driving nails to breaking apart materials, a hammer is an absolute necessity. Next, a tape measure. Precision is key in any project, and a reliable tape measure ensures you're always on point. It's all about getting the right measurements the first time. The third tool you'll need is a knife. A sharp blade comes in handy for cutting through materials like drywall or opening packages. Next is the speed square and combination square. These are your go-to tools for marking consistent angles and lines. They're the secret behind every perfectly straight cut. Don't forget your building pencil. It's as essential as your hammer or tape measure. It marks where you need to cut, where you need to drill, and where you need to align. Now let's talk chisels. You'll need a sharp chisel for precision work and a blunt chisel for the rough work that could damage the sharp one. Moving on to power tools, we have the drill and impact driver. These tools make quick work of creating holes and driving screws. The skill saw is another essential power tool. It's a versatile cutter that can slice through a variety of materials with ease. And of course, don't forget your batteries and charger. These keep your power tools running and your project moving forward. Now, that's a basic rundown of what you need on your tool belt. Each tool has its role, its purpose. Together, they form a toolkit that can tackle any project, big or small. Remember, the right tools not only make your work easier, but also more efficient and safer. Stay tuned for a more advanced and in-depth guide on this topic coming soon. Until then, keep building, keep creating, and most importantly, keep learning.